question J1 4H86. Based on the PCAP, what is the domain name of the IP scanned? So we've downloaded and opened up scan_2222.pcap in Wireshark, and our question wants us to figure out the domain name of the IP scan. So first up is going to be identifying the scan, right? So one of these IPs is going to be the IP that conducted the scan, and the other one is going to be the target. So scrolling through this packet, or this packet capture, we can if we're looking at our info section here, we can see a bunch of these SYN, TCP SYN packets being sent over and over and over from what looks like a random high port to a bunch of service ports, and it's coming from one IP targeting a second one in a very short amount of time. Later on, the destination IP from this 45.33.32.156 responds to these packets being sent, right? If you can take a look that these ports somewhat match up, and they're sending a reset packet. So in this case, these ports were closed on this machine. So it's kind of a way to be able to identify a scan in a packet like this where there isn't much traffic going on. So again, right, in this case, the 10.10.28.40 was conducting a TCP SYN scan against the 45.33.32.156. We're able to tell that, right, because we have the same packet coming from the same port, going down a list of ports, a list of service ports in a very short amount of time. So to answer our question, we want to find the domain name of this 45.33.32.156. So the preferred method within this course is to do it within your terminal. And one of the commands you can run is going to be digtacx. Here we have that target IP, 45.33.32.156. We run it, right? We'll get that pointer record for scanme.nmap.org. Another command you can run is nslookup. So 45.33.32.156, enter, and we end up with the name here, scanme.nmap.org. The third way we can do this is within Wireshark. We can go to View, Name Resolution, and turn on Resolve Network Addresses. And Nmap will go out, or Wireshark will go out and conduct a DNS scan for you and resolve any of the domain names that it finds within the packet.